Prabhupada explains that a spiritualist has to be very sober, introspective, thoughtful, grave. Vacho vegam, manasa krodha vegam, jihva vegam, udara upastha vegam. It means a kind of a force in the body. Prabhupada gives the example. Just like our body is designed in such a way, when there is a nature's call, it creates a force, irresistible force. We all have to rush to the washroom. In the same way, there are other forces in this body, and one of them is the force of the mind. We are, as spiritualists, we must know these workings of the mind, workings of the forces in this body, so that we know how to deal with them. Shukadev Goswami is giving one such example. He's saying, this mind which is unsteady and which comes with a force, don't trust this mind. This is the first instruction. So, Prabhupada explains, as spiritualists, we do not trust our mind, means we do not surrender to the dictations of our mind. The mind comes with a force. Mind comes with an idea. Let's do this. Let's do that. You do this. You do that. And it comes with a certain force. Don't trust your mind. This is the instruction. Watch the mind's action. So in other words, intelligence is higher than the mind. Soul is higher than the intelligence. And we are that soul.